Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a countdown timer in WordPress. We will be doing this with Divi's countdown timer module, which is perfect for sales, product launches, or upcoming events. If you want to follow along and try Divi at a great price, check the link in the description. Start by opening the page where you want the countdown timer to appear. Click Edit with Divi to launch the visual builder. Once inside, add a new section and insert a row. A single column row usually works best for countdowns. Next, click the plus icon and search for the countdown timer module. Add it to your row. By default, you will see a placeholder timer with days, hours, minutes, and seconds. In the module settings, go to the Content tab. Here you can enter a title like Sale Ends Soon or New Product Launch. Then set the exact date and time for when the countdown should end. Divi will automatically calculate the time remaining and update it in real time for your visitors. You can also decide what happens after the timer reaches 0. For example, you might want to remove the section, hide the offer, or simply leave the timer showing all zeros as a signal that the promotion is over. Now move over to the Design tab to customize the look of your countdown. You can adjust the font size, colors, and spacing. Each number and label can be styled to match your website's branding. You can also add a background color or gradient behind the module to make it stand out more on the page. If you want to create urgency, consider placing the countdown directly above your call to action or product section. You can also combine it with Divi's animation and scroll effects so the timer fades or slides into view as visitors scroll down. Once you are happy with the settings and design, click the green checkmark to save the module. Then save the page and exit the builder. Refresh the page and you will now see your countdown timer live, automatically updating as time passes. This is a simple and effective way to boost engagement and drive action by showing visitors exactly how much time they have left. If you want to try Divi at a great price, remember to use the link in the description.